Hi, my name's AJ with Thaddeus Stevens, and today we'll be doing drum shoe install on a International Pro Star. Starting out with the top shoe, chuck it on, make sure that your rollers are in place in the shoe. Then you grab your mainspring. Get it hooked on. Then you grab your bottom shoe. Watch out, Luke. You keep it a little up. You got that latched in. Then you pull it back to here and get your roller onto the S-Cam profile. And then make sure that your bottom anchor pin is pulled out. Push that up into place. Then you grab your springs. I usually start off with the outer one. Sometimes you can get them by hand. Sometimes you need to grab a little screwdriver and just give it a little helping hand. Today these are a little tight, so there's one. And the second one. That's in as well. Now last step, we grab a pry bar. I usually go up against the axle. Now this is the part where I can kick out. Push that down. That'll happen sometimes. Let's try it again without getting smacked in the face. Grab your hammer, your ball peen. Make sure your anchor pin is in right. And there you go. Cool, that's a wrap.